Namaste to all. I am J.V.M. Ramesh Kumar, Department of OPM, Assistant Professor from Jyoti Vidyapith, Pune, USA. Okay. Today our session is dealing with regular expression having problems. We have discussed about regular expression in last lecture. Today we will understand with the help of example how we make a regular expression in regular language. So see here, what is this? Describe the given regular expression in English language. First problem is a closure, triple with a whole closure and a closure. So we have to decide what first point, what is a closure and what is triple with a whole closure, a closure. So here a closure means zero or more occurrence of a. Are you getting all? A closure means zero occurrence. You will understand with the help of example. Zero occurrence means null. For more occurrence means a, comma, double a, comma, triple a, like up to 10 times. And the triple B the whole closure, the documents of B is multiple of 3 or there is no occurrence of B. Here very important thing is that here the closure is of triple B the whole closure means occurrence of B is the multiple of 3 times. That means triple B 6 times B, 9 times B, 12 times B. So that is the because here in previous case a closure means what? Null. Zero means null. For more occurrence of a means null, comma a, comma a, comma a. Here the closure is triple times of b means the occurrence of b will occur at 3 times like triple b, 6 times b, 9 times b, 12 times b, multiple of 3 times. So here it depends the occurrence of b is multiple of 3 or there is no occurrence of b because there is no occurrence of b means what? Here a closure is of 3 times b and b closure means 0 or more occurrence of b. Here hence the given regular expression is represent when the given regular expression represents any set of a string of a and b which begin with 0 or more of a. The string of b occur in the model is the multiple of 3 or no occurrence of a string of b and ends with 0 or more occurrence of b. The given regular expression can be written as triple a plus b का whole closure means this will occur triple times a and b means 1a. Any string of a and b in which a occurrence in the multiple of 3. Any b triple b whole a plus the whole closure means any string of a and b in which b occurrence in multiple of 3. This is very simple. Here triple a plus b whole closure means the occurrence of a will multiple of 3 but occurrence of b will single a and up to b double b triple b like this. Okay, the given regular expression represents any set of a string of a and b in which a is multiple of 3 and any set of a string of a and b in which b is a multiple of 3 string. Give the regular expression for the problem. You will understand with the help of problems. Give the regular expression for the following language over the alphabet sigma equal to 0, 1 and the problem is n equal to regular expression equal to 0 to the power 2m oblique 2 to the power n plus 1 where n and greater than 0. Second is n equal to 0 to the power 2 and 1 to the power n, 2 to the power n oblique 1 and m greater equal to 1 and n greater equal to 0. So this is the problem. We have to satisfy the given conditions. Here n equal to 0 to the power m, 0 to the power here 0 to the power 2n oblique 2n plus 1 n and m greater than equal to 0. So from the given language, it should be clear that every string of language L starts with even. Here 0 to the power n is what? Starts with even without 2 to the power n. 0 to the power n because it is a multiple of 2, number of 0, and ends with odd number of ones because 2 to the power n plus 1, so it will be odd. So r equal to 0 to the power double equal closure 1 to the into double n to the whole closure into 1. So this will be like this. Okay, even and like odd. Second question is L equal to 0 to the power 1, 1 to the power n, and 2 to the power n oblique 1 n greater equal to 1 and n greater equal to 0. From the given language, it should be clear that every string of language L starts with 1 or more number of zeros and 1 and ends with any number of 2. Means here the value of 0 to the power n, 0 to the power n oblique 1 to the power n 2 to the power n L m greater equal to 1 and n greater than equal to 0. L m greater equal to 1 means the value of 0 here that every string of L starts with 1 or more number of zeros and 1 which with any number of 2's. Hence the regular expression can be written as r equal to 0 to the power double to the power closure 0 into equal closure into 1 into 1 plus closure into closure. Identify rules for regular expression. Here are some rules for regular expression. The two regular expressions R1 and R2 are equivalent if here we are talking about the regular expression. There are some rules. There are 16 rules by which we can apply the regular expression. The two regular expressions R1 and R2 are equivalent if and only if R1 represents the same shape of a string and R2 does. R1 is different shape of a string and R2 is different shape of a string. For showing this equivalence of regular expression, we need to show some identities of regular expression. If R, R1 and R2 are regular expression, then the identity rules of regular expression are following: null into R equal to R into null equal to R. This is very important. Null into R equal to R into null equal to R. Second is what? Null closure equal to null. Null closure equal to null, and null is a null string. Third point is 5 के power closure equal to null. Fourth point is 5 into R equal to R into 5 equal to 5. We convert into finally find 5. This is commutative rules. Fifth point is 5 plus R equal to R plus 5 equal to R. Sixth is R plus R equal to R. 7 R into R closure equal to R closure into R equal to R plus. 8 R plus into R closure the power whole closure equal to R closure. 9 null plus R into R closure equal to R closure equal to null plus R closure into R. R1 plus R2 equal to R1 plus R2 into R equal to R1 into R plus R2 into R. 11 R1 plus R2 का whole closure equal to R1 closure plus R2 closure equal to R1 closure. But that means we can write this identities like identities R1 plus R2 का whole closure. We can write it separately R1 closure into R2 closure equal plus to R1 closure plus R2 closure, where R null plus R equal to null plus R into whole R equal to R. 13 R plus null का whole closure equal to R closure equal to null plus R का whole closure. 14 point is R1 plus R1 into R2 का होल क्लोजर into R1 equal to R1 bracket R2 R1 का होल क्लोजर 15 R क्लोजर into R equal to R क्लोजर into R and finally R closure into R closure equal to R closure. So these are the 16 rules by which you can apply and find the regular expressions. So now Haydn's theorem. Haydn's theorem was invented by the scientist. This is very important theorem to find the regular expression. Scientist name is Haydn. This theorem is basically used for checking the equivalence of two regular expressions. It is also used for simplifying the regular expression, that is, we will replace a given vector expression by equivalent simpler expression. So a statement is if P and Q are two regular expressions over the input set sigma, then regular expression are given by R equal to P plus RP and R equal to R QP together. Let P and Q are two regular expressions over the input set string sigma. If P does not contain null, then there exists R such that R equal to P plus RP because there is given, and we can write Q plus RP. So P plus RP means what? We can put the value of R QP closure. So like this, P closure P are applied Q null P closure P. So equal to Q P closure and finally R equal to QP closure. We applying this because here null can be removed by 0 terms. Thus to prove that R P star is a unique solution, we will replace LHS of equation Q plus RP, then it becomes P plus RP. Okay, so if finally converting it to R equal to P plus RP, converting to R equal to QP star. So again we will apply Q plus RP equal to Q and replace, we put what? Q R equal to Q plus RP and applying multiplying P. Again we apply finally a Q plus QP plus RP square, and again we applying like this, and finally in general term by putting all the again and again the value of R equal to P plus RP, final value P plus RP equal to Q plus QP plus QP square plus dot QP to power I plus QP to power I plus 1, and finally we take the value, if we take the Q common, then it will be null and P and QP square like PI plus R PI plus 1, otherwise where I greater than equal to 0. So finally R equal to Q null P plus P square and dot PI plus R PI plus 1. Okay, so finally, so let W be the string of length I, where I greater than equal to 0, or Pi plus 1 has no string of net length I plus 1 length, hence W is not in the shape of RPi plus 1. Thus R and QP star is again the same shape, hence it will prove that R equal to P plus RP. Now again prove that A closure into B closure का whole closure is equal to A plus B का whole closure, Haydn's theorem, by taking LHS A closure into B closure का whole closure equal to A plus B का whole closure, and A closure B closure any combination of the combination of B. So like A null A into like this, and A plus B also go null, any combination of Z B. So finally by this, so LHS equal to RHS. And last to finish prove the following as it is: A closure into AB plus BA का whole closure into A closure equal to A plus AB plus BA into whole closure. So LHS A closure into AB plus BA का whole closure into A closure. So by A closure into AB का whole closure plus BA का whole closure into A closure will be equal to. So finally applying all the 16 rules we find it like this. final output will be A plus AB when we look at video. Thank you to all. I think you like my videos. So share my video, comment my video, subscribe my video more and more. Thank you to all.